In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate Asana and Notion with automated two-way updates. 5 minutes. By the end, your Asana project will be connected to a Notion database, so updates flow both ways, saving you time and keeping your team in sync. Start by opening Asana in your browser and signing in. Enter your email address, click Continue, and then enter your password to log in. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete those prompts as usual. Make sure you're signing into the workspace where your project lives and confirm you have permission to install apps on that project. If you're not sure, check with your admin or project owner. Once you're on your Asana homepage, open the project you want to sync with Notion. This should be the project where tasks, statuses, and fields you care about already exist. It's best to pick a project that maps cleanly to a single Notion database for the smoothest two-way updates. Inside the project, open the Customize panel. This is where Asana lets you configure fields, rules, and integrations. In Customize, go to the App section. This is the Marketplace area inside your project where you can add integrations that enhance your workflow. Click Add to browse available apps, then choose Notion from the list. With Notion selected, click Add to project. This tells Asana which project you're connecting. Next, click Connect to Notion. A secure authorization window will open. Follow the prompts to complete the connection. Typically, you'll confirm the Notion workspace, choose the database that corresponds to your Asana project, and grant the requested permissions. Permissions are required so the integration can read and update items in both tools. If you manage multiple Notion workspaces, double-check you're selecting the correct one. As the authorization completes, Asana will confirm the connection and return you to your project with Notion listed under Apps. From here, changes made in Asana can reflect in Notion, and updates in Notion can sync back to Asana depending on the fields supported by the integration. Give it a moment after your first changes. Initial syncs can take a short time. A few tips before you wrap up: keep field names and types consistent across Asana and Notion for reliable syncing, and test with a couple of sample tasks or pages to verify updates flow as expected. If something doesn't sync, check app permissions and that you selected the correct Notion database. You can revisit the Customize panel anytime to review or manage the connection. That's it. Your two-way integration between Asana and Notion is ready to go.